Hello, how are you? In this time, I am going to quickly show you where to see archived photos on Instagram. Let's open the Apposite Pay. First, I will show you what archiving a photo is. If we tap, for example, on this reel or any content, but a series of options appears, but the option to archive does not appear because it is not our reel or our content. This method only works for our content. So we go to our profile. For example, let's archive this reel. If we tap on the three little dots, an option that says archive appears. There we archive the reel. So notice that the reel is automatically removed from our main profile. It's archived. Let's archive something else so you can see. But let's archive an image. For example, this image. Let's tap the three dots here and select archive. As you can see, the image has already been removed from our personal profile. So how can we recover these photos and how can we see where they are archived? Let's go to the settings options and select archive. In archive, compose the posts we have archived will appear. We can even change it here to only see the story archives, because remember that stories get deleted every 24 hours. So here we can recover or view the posts. Here, podemos, for example, variar, we open the photo, click again on the three dots and select show on profile. This way we recover the photo and it is back on our profile. It is restored there. Here we can do the same with the reel. Show on profile, show on profile. There it is. It's just a matter of going to the profile. Update. And look, the reel is there. And here is the photo, as you can see. So if we go back to archives, we will see that we have nothing in our archive session because we have already recovered the photos and the reel that we had archived. Eso Campus Pampus. So I hope you like the information, and this is how you can archive photos, stories, and then recover them. All the best to everyone, and remember, subscribe to stay updated on more Android apps and social media tips. See you next time. Bye bye.